Hello children, today in math I'll do revision. Already we have completed 4 chapters: rational number, exponent, square root, cube root, and your set. Square root and cube root, 1 chapter. So set chapter almost going to be complete. So first 3 chapters I am doing revision today. Your rational number, your exponent, and square root and cube root. Among the 3 chapters, some important problems today I will do revision. Means exam based question also important. So first from rational number, I am doing 2 bits I am doing from each chapter, important one. After that I am telling repeatedly, if you have any doubt you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number so that I will clear your doubt. So nobody is sending, so that's why on my own those are important questions I am doing today. So from rational number today first I am doing. So question number 1. So question number 1 given, divide the sum of 4 by 9 and 5 by 6 by the product of minus 5 by 18 and 3 by 4. This is a question. Like this question will come, maybe come, divide the sum of 4 by 9 and 5 by 6 by their difference. Like similar type of question will get, just one I am doing. So divide the sum of, first you find the sum of 4 by 9 and 5 by 6. So first you add it, 9 and 6 LCM is 18, 9 divided 2 into 4 8 plus 6 divided 3 into 5 15. Here 8 plus 15 23 by 18. Then by the product of minus 5 by 18 and 3 by 4. Minus 5 by 18 into 3 by 4. 3 cancel 6 minus 5 by 24. So product you got, the sum you got, and the product you got. In the question given statement you understood. Divide the sum you got by the product you got. Divide to who is will divide? The sum by the product. So according to the question, divide, we have to divide the sum 23 by 18 divided by minus 5 by 24. 23 by 18 into minus 24 by 5. It will cancel with 6, 3, 4, then minus 23 into 4, 92 by 50. This is the answer. Like this way we have to do. This is question number 1. Next question number 2. I will do one problem based on word problem. So next question based on word problem. The one word problem, the statement one by one you read it, then according to that you have to proceed. A man spends 3 by 7 of his monthly income on food. So total of his monthly income, how much is spending on food? 3 by 7. So total monthly income is unknown. So you write, let the monthly income equal to X. So man spends on food is equal to 3 by 7 of the total income or monthly income. Of means into 3 by 7x. Then question second statement you see, 7 by 10 of the remainder on house rent. 7 by 10 of the remainder on house rent. So remainder is how much? Total monthly income X, out of it spends on food 3 by 7x. So remainder is, or the money left with him, remainder is x minus 3x by 7. So LCM is 7. 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x by 7. Remainder you got. Then 7 by 10 of the remainder on house rent. So spends on house rent 7 by 10 of the remainder. 7 by 10 of means into remainder is 4x by 7. 7 cancel. 4 cancel it 2. 10 5. 2x by 5. So spends on house rent. Then if the money left with him is rupees 2400. So how much money left here? Money left here. Money left is equal to this 4x by 7. Out of 4x by 7 remainder spends on house rent 2x by 5. So how much left money now? So 4x by 7 minus 2x by 5. LCM is 35. 7 divided by 5. 5 into 4 20x minus 5 divided 7. 7 into 2 14x. So 20 minus 14 6x by 35. So this is the money left with him. But in the question, how much money left given? 2400. So according to the question, here 6x by 35 is equal to 2400. Implies x is equal to 2400 into 35 by 6. Cancel 700. So 700 into 35. How much now you have to multiply? Sorry, here 700 I have written. 400. 6 into 4. 400. 400 into 35. Now you multiply here. 0 0 remain there. 4 into 5 20. 2 1. 4 into 3 12 plus 2 14. So the money, the total monthly income x we have taken. Monthly income x. Question asked what is his monthly income. So x you got. Monthly income is 14,000. Understood? Like this what problem will get? What problem definitely one will get. And before question number 1 I have done this type one will get. So these are the important question. Next I will do question from square root and cube root. So square root mainly important question is, one is what least number should be multiplied or divided and what least number should be added or subtracted. If multiplied and divided given, we have to find that one by the factor method, factorization method. But if what least number should be added or subtracted if given, we have to find the square root by long division method. So one question I am writing, see. So next question, question number 3 from square root chapter. Find the smallest number by which 720 should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So multiplication or division, any least number to be multiplied or divided, we have to find first the number, the square root of the number by factorization method. So what is the perfect square number? So first we have to find what the smallest number we find, then we have to find the perfect square number. Bit by bit we have to solve. So in the answer sheet only we have to find the factor 720 divisible by 2. From smallest factor, prime factor we have to divide. 2 3 is 6, 6 0 2 8 180 90 45 15 5. So you see these two, one pair, these two, one pair, these two, 3, one pair. So 5 is not in pair. So what it should be multiplied, so it becomes a perfect square. So if another 5 would be multiplied, so it will be in pair, so it becomes a perfect square or not. So Here 720, all the factor you write, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5. So all are in pair, 5 only is not in pair. So if another 5 would be multiplied, so it becomes a perfect square. So what least number or smallest number should be multiplied? The smallest number should be multiplied. The smallest number should be multiplied is 5. First question got. Then what is the perfect square number? If 5 will multiply, that becomes a perfect square number. So in the original number, if will 5 multiply, we will get the perfect square number. So bit 1, the perfect square number is equal to 720 into 5. So it will be 0, 0, 3600. Got the perfect square number is 3600. Then bit 2, question asked, find the square root of the perfect square number. So square root of 3600 we have to find. Square root from here you see, not required to find. Just from your answer you will get the answer. 3600 square root is, here another 5 we have to multiply. So from these 2 we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. So it's half we have to take. 2, 2 will take. All are in pair. So how many are there? Half we have to take. So 4, 2 is there. 2, 2 we have to take. 2, 3 there. 1, 3 we have to take. Now 1, 5 will be multiplied here. So 5 will multiply out of 2, 5. So 1, 5 we have to take. So what is the square root? 2 into 2, 4, into 3, 12, into 5, 60. So find the square root of the perfect square number. So square root of the perfect square number is 60. 3600 again not required to find. And here already you got, just another 5 we have to multiply. So from it 1 pair, 1 number you take and multiply, we will get the answer. Understood? Like this question or important question will get. Now another question I will do, what least number should be added. Another type added, it means what I have told how to do by long division method. So question number 4 you see. So question number 4, what least number must be added to 2945 to get a perfect square number? What is the resulting number? Like this question will give. One bit will not. What least number must be added in your book, like this given, to get to perfect square number. And with that one bit I'll ask just nothing or the same thing. What is the resulting number? 4 mark question. If one bit this will add becomes 4. This much will 3. This one will add 4 marks. So nothing is there. After getting the answer, just add that number and get the resulting number. So first I have told you what least number must be added or subtracted. We have to do the square root by long division method. So first you find 2945 square root by long division method. So we have to make pair from right side. 4, 5, 1 pair, 2, 9, 1 pair. So which number it is divisible? 2, 2 is 4 smaller, 3, 3 is 9, 4, 4 is 16, 5, 5 is 25. So 5, 5 is we can take. 6, 6 is 36 is more than 29. So what will take? 5, 5 is 25. 4. So what you have multiply, you add it here. 10. So now 10 is not divisible by 4. So next pair you bring down. 445. So this is the number now. Here this one is blank. Unit place. So I have told you how to do. Unit place, what to multiply here, will get less than 445 or equal to 445. So if 1 will multiply 10, 1, 101 smaller, 10, 2, 204 smaller, 100, 3, 309 smaller, 100, 10, then here 4, 416 smaller, 1055, 525. It is greater? No. 525 also coming? No. 525 it is greater. So you cannot take 5. So which number we have to take? This one. 416 is smaller. So 4 you have to multiply here. So 4 it will multiply. What you are getting? 416. Here in what list number must be added? Remainder is not the important factor. Important is the quotient. But in what list number must be subtracted? Their remainder is most important. Remainder is only the answer. But what list number should be added? The quotient is important. Here if you will not subtract also no problem. But I am subtracting 15 minus 6, it is 9. 3 minus 1, 2, 29. So here important is quotient. So quotient what you got? 54. Now what the quotient you got? Next number you take. 54 plus 1 is what? 55. So question was what list number should be added? The rule is that 54 plus 1, that means 55 square minus 2945. This is the answer. What we will get? That is the list number should be added. So here we can write here. Here just you write it. Before that, like this you write the list number should be added is equal to 55 square minus 2945. 55 square you find. 55 square is multiply here 275 again 275 5 0 3025 3025 minus 2945 2945 5 minus 5 0 12 minus 4 80 8 then 9 minus 9 0 2 minus 2 0. So what is the answer? 80. So what list number should be added? 80. First bit you got, 3 marks you got. So what is the resulting number? So resulting number, original number is 2945. So what list number added? 80. So after adding 80, what the number will get? That is the resulting number. So right here. So the resulting number is equal to your original number 2945 plus 80. If you add, you will get 5 2 1 gone there 0 9 plus 1 10 0 1 3 3025. Understood? So 55 square, what you got? That 80 after adding 80, that square will get 3025. So the resulting number is 3025. Understood? Like this question will get very important. Next, from exponent chapter I am doing some problems. So see question number 5. So next question 5. Simplify x to the power a by x to the power b to the power a plus b, x to the power b by x to the power c to the power b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a to the power c plus a. We have to simplify or solve. So here base is same xx, power is divided. So if division is there, we have to subtract x to the power a minus b to the power a plus b into here also like this x to the power b minus c to the power b plus c into x to the power c minus a to the power c plus a. Now both the power to the power is there. I have told you have to multiply the power. So x to the power, this is one formula in algebra in class 7 also you have read. A plus B into A minus B. Which formula? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Like this here, B plus C into B minus C. B square minus C square. Here also like this, C plus A into C minus A. C square minus A square. So here first you write, this is a formula. So not required to multiply, directly put the formula. A square minus B square into x to the power B square minus C square into x to the power C square minus A square. So all the power are multiplied. Now again here you see everywhere x everywhere the same base, and it is multiplication. If it is multiplication, what will do? We will add the power. So x to the power A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square plus A square minus A square cancel plus B square minus B square cancel plus C square minus C square cancel. So x to the power what? 0. Any number power 0 means it is 1. Answer. Got? Over. Next question. So next question number 6. Minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 into minus 3 by 7 to the power 5 is equal to minus 3 by 7 to the power 3n minus 4. So here we have to question given simplify and find n. Question here given find n. N value we have to find. So here the base is same. Minus 3 by 7 everywhere you see base is same. So here multiplication, here is equal to is there, that one we cannot solve, only this part you solve. So into is there, so the power would be added, right? Minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 plus 5 is equal to that side minus 3 to the power 7 to the power 3n minus 4. So now you see both sides, left side and right side, base is same. If base is same, we can equalize the power, the rule I have told. So if base here same, minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7. So we will equalize the power, 3 plus 5, 8 is equal to 3n minus 4. Implies minus 4 you bring this side, 8 plus 4 is equal to 3n. Implies 3n is equal to 12. Implies n is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Got the answer? Like this question we will get. So all the 3 chapters, rational number, exponent and your square root and cube root I have done revision. These are the important problems. Some more you do practice like this problem in home. Any doubt still you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number. This is the revision over. After that I will send 25 or 30 marks. 30 mark question I will say one sample test like I will send to you. You have to solve, time given, marks will be given there. On your own you have to solve. After that answer also I will send. Understood? So these 3 chapters nicely do practice in home, so that after that I will send the question for your practice. Okay? Thank you.